Hi, my YT fam, bless you all. As requested, today we will discuss bad debts and provision for doubtful debts. So, what are bad debts? Bad debts is simply the amount that cannot be recovered by the company from its debtors. So, the treatment is we will reduce the amount of debtors in the balance sheet by the amount of bad debts. So, entry would be bad debts account debit to debtors, and bad debts are our operating expenses. So, we will move it to P&L account, P&L account debit to bad debts. Now, what is provision for bad debts? So, because of the past experience, the company already knows that there would be certain amount of debtors that would not be recovered by them. So, they create a provision for bad debts account using the prudence principle. Let me know in the comments section if you want to understand what is prudence principle. So the accounting entry for the provision for bad debts will be P&L to provision for bad debts account. We are basically reducing our profit because we are providing for the anticipated loss. Now, there could be multiple adjustments that could be taken into consideration for the provision for bad debts. We are taking the two basic ones. Case number one. Let's say we created a provision for 5,000, but the actual bad debts turned out to be of 2,000. So now we will reduce the amount of 2,000 from the provision. So entry would be provision from bad debts account debit to bad debts. All this information was available in the trial balance. But what if the trial balance did not include the above information? In that case, we will have to reduce the amount of provision for bad debts from the debtors as well. In the previous case, we already knew that the adjustment has been made in the trial balance. So debtors need not be considered. But in this case, we have to reduce the amount from debtors as well because it is not included in the trial balance. So entry would be provision account debit to debtors account. We are reducing our debtors. That's all for today. Please let me know the next topics that you want me to cover. And if you like this, please like, share and subscribe and join me in my new journey and help me reach at least 500 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching.